How to make or use a blur filter on Snapchat. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to use a blur filter but could not find it, here is the way to use it. First and foremost, head over to Play Store or App Store to update the Snapchat to the latest version. In order to do so, just tap on the Snapchat and then tap on the update button to get the latest version installed on your device. It might take a minute or two depending upon your internet connection as well. Once the installation is completed, you can tap on the open button that is popped up. Then after head over to the application, tap on the search icon for explore page, tap on the search bar and type in blur, and then you will see a list of different options. Additionally, you can even tap on the search bar and type in create option to customize your own lens, or you could just tap on any of the filter that you want to use and you can take the snaps with a blur filter. Alternatively, you can use the Lens Studio, which is a desktop application by Snapchat, to create a blur filter by applying a blur layer over the image or video feed. So after this, you can save and upload your filter to Snapchat after finishing the customization. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.